How to find app settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find app settings on Android phone. First, in open settings, and then just scroll down until you find this one, apps or applications, and click on it. And as you see here, you can find app settings. You can find here all your installed apps, and you can find this one, permission manager, and here you can manage anything you want. And that's how to find app settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.